iOS 12 Beta 1 release date. I'm gonna talk on latest rumors, release date, and compatible devices. Hey, if you are new to my channel, it's all about Apple. Please don't forget to subscribe. iOS 12 will focus on performance and quality improvements, according to Bloomberg report, which highlighted 2 points: improve overall software quality, ensure new iOS features are delivered when promised, but still there are some features coming. So rumors to come in iOS 12 are: 1. Improved parental controls. Apple plans to update its parental controls in iOS 12 with a new digital health tool that will let parents know how much time their children have spent using iOS devices, which will allow parents to better monitor screen time. 2. AR improvements. Bloomberg says Apple will add support for multiplayer AR kit gaming. You can play with others. Not sure gonna be local only or maybe support online, which will be very exciting. 3. FaceTime improvements. Apple may enhance the FaceTime app and support conference call, multi-person FaceTime calls. 4. New Animoji. Animoji available on the iPhone X will be expanded in iOS 12. Apple is said to be planning to introduce new Animoji characters and an interface that will be easier to navigate. Animoji are also coming to the iPad, which if it's right, that means Apple is working on the new iPad Pro models that will have the true depth camera. 5. Feature Animoji Face Time integration. Apple is planning to integrate any emoji into FaceTime, allowing people to use animated emoji characters when making a video call, letting people put virtual faces over themselves in video calls. But Bloomberg says that feature may not be ready for 2018 debut. Maybe it comes in beta this year. 6. Horizontal support for Face ID. According to Japanese site Mako Takara, Apple may add support for unlocking the iPhone X with Face ID in horizontal orientation, something not currently available in iOS 11 right now. Currently, to unlock iPhone X, you need to hold the iPhone in vertical orientation. The horizontal Face ID support is being added for future iPad Pro models that will support Face ID, but it should also work on the iPhone as well. The 7th feature is the redesigned iBook app. More robust iBook app may be completely redesigned, and Apple will name it Books. Feature 8, redesigned stocks app. Bloomberg says redesigned stock trading app is on the way. The 9th feature, new photo app feature. It's redesigned and optimizing the importing photos interface for iPad and maybe also for iPhone as well. The 10th feature, a deep Siri integration in photos for searches. Apple is said to be working to more deeply integrate Siri into the iOS search views. I actually made an interview with Siri and I get so many responses. Give me hints on more intelligent, more smarter Siri with extra new voice and offline Siri. It may come with iOS 12. Apple changed the Siri answers, which I already got from Siri after 2 days. You see these answers, all these answers, Apple changed them after 2 days, which mean maybe right, maybe not. 11 feature, enhanced version of Don't Disturb. Bloomberg says an updated version of Don't Disturb that will give users more options to automatically reject phone calls or silence notifications. 12. Support for cross-platform iOS and Mac apps. The biggest change coming in iOS 12 may be cross-platform apps. Apple may bring some of its own iPhone apps like the Home app to the Mac as a part of this update, but daring fireball Johan Grober believes support for cross-platform app is coming in macOS 10.15 and iOS 13 in 2019 rather than 2018. He says not to expect universal app announcement at WWDC this year. iOS 12 Beta 1 release date. iOS 12 will be previewed at the Worldwide Developers Conference, which will take place at 4 June. Following iOS 12 unveiling at WWDC, it will be seeded to developer as Beta 1 for testing at the same day at 4th June. Apple maybe after 21 days of that will release public Beta 1 for anyone to try iOS 12. iOS 12 will see iOS 12 finally released to the public alongside new iPhones expected to be in September. iOS 12 compatible devices. According to testing log for the new WebKit, a contributor included testing logs of a WebKit nightly build running on an iPhone 5s simulator. This is strong evidence that the iPhone 5s will receive iOS 12. That means iOS 12 will support iPhone 5s and later iPhones. Stay tuned for new videos. Please give this video a like if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and click the ring to stay notified. Be safe everyone. Take care. Goodbye.